Sound All Around, written by Penny Atchison. What makes sound? Crash, boom, bam, bang, swoosh, and splash. Sounds are all around us. People, animals, and objects make sounds. Even the weather makes sound. Sounds can be loud or soft. They can be pleasant or unpleasant. Animals use sound in many ways. Humans use sound to communicate their thoughts and feelings. Other animals use sound to communicate too. They use sound to defend themselves, attract a mate, or signal a warning. Humans have invented many things to make sounds. Drums, bagpipes, and stringed instruments make music. Horns, bells, and sirens sound warnings or call people to events. Alarm clocks signal with music or loud beeps that it is time to get out of bed. What is sound? Sound is made when an object vibrates or moves back and forth very quickly. People make sound to talk when air vibrates vocal cords in their throats. Different vibrations in the vocal cords make different sounds. Try this. Feel the vibration. Get 2 rubber bands, one thick and one thin. Stretch them over an open shoebox. Pluck each rubber band. Listen to the sounds they make. How are the sounds different? Why? A vibrating object makes the air around it move. This is how sound travels. It moves outward in all directions. For example, when a tree crashes to the ground, the air around it vibrates. When the vibrating air reaches your ear, you hear the sound of a crashing tree. The vibrating air is called sound waves. Sound waves also travel through solids and liquids. Different sounds. Not all sound is alike. Some sounds are loud. Others are quiet. The loudness of sound is called volume. The more air that vibrates, the louder the volume. For example, a lion's roar vibrates more air than a buzzing bee's wings. Sound also can be high or low. This is called pitch. Pitch depends on how fast something vibrates. Sirens vibrate quickly and have a high pitch. Bass drums vibrate slowly and have a low pitch. Math Minute. It takes sound about 5 seconds to travel 1 mile. How long would it take for a sound to travel 10 miles? Hint. Use the mile markers to count by 5s to find the answer. Ears and sound. The outside of your ear is shaped to collect sound waves. The sound waves move from outside the ear to inside the ear. Tiny bones inside vibrate when they are struck by sound waves. The vibrating bones send messages through nerves to your brain. Your brain then interprets the messages as noise, music, talking, or other sounds. The inner parts of the ear are very sensitive. Very loud sounds can hurt your ears. Be careful around loud noises. Cover your ears with your hands or wear coverings on your ears, such as earphones or earplugs. Or simply move away from the loud sounds. Conclusion. We are surrounded by sounds. Vibrations make loud, quiet, high, and low sounds. Our ears pick up these sounds, and our brain tells us what they are. Enjoy the many sounds of the world and be careful with your ears.
Good job!